evening everyone.
Good evening.
So today me and my friends discuss about boys education and girls education. So what do you mean by education?
You know that education is important for everyone. Without education, we can't achieve success in our life because education is two types. First, we take by our parents, and second, we take in school. If we have no one education, then we can't do anything.
Okay, but some pupils are also who don't study in their whole life, but they survive their life.
Yeah, but you know that how can they survive his life? They face a lot of problems in his life because many times people said that he is uneducated and he don't know about it. If you know that if many people sit who are educated and any one pupil come there that who are uneducated, at that time the uneducated person feel embarrassed there.
But many pupils who has not much education means they never study in their lives, but they have a lot of money. Then pupils give them respect more study people who has much educated than.
You know that behind his they snatch about it.
I don't.
They said that he is a fool and if we want to do any work, then we said to him and he also do it because he is a fool. So people think that he is a fool. That's why they give him respect. But if he is educated and he know about the pupils, then people give him respect and they understand that that person understand everything.
Yeah, this is right. And according to your opinion, which pupil's education is most important than boy or girl?
I think that both education is important, but nowadays you see that girls go ahead than boys because not all boys are not focused on his studies, but you saw that mostly boys are not focused on his studies, but
Also, girls are so.
but you know that behind the boys, girls are focused on his study, but you know everything he has two faces. First is good and second is bad. So that's why the many girls are good and many are bad.
Also, these conditions are apply on both.
Yeah.
So, according to your opinion, the level of past time and present time, you know the ratio about past time education and present time education.
You know that in past time education, boys are ahead than girls, and the study level of boys is so high. But you saw the result of this year and last year. Then you saw the girls go ahead than boys, and the study level of girls is high than boys.
Yeah, you know the ratio of about the study girls in the past time and present time.
I don't know about.
Can I tell?
Okay.
In past time, the ratio of girls' education is only 6%, but now it's a 75 or 74% increases. So it's a big thing about because in 1951 is the ratio of girls' education is 6% only. But now it's a ratio of 2011 and now it's a 75%.
Yeah, it's increased very much.
Very much due to education, according to me.
Because many pupils know the importance of education. They feel about that his child is educated, then he achieved anything in his life.
Yeah.
He survived his whole life easily.
Mostly in places these cases are happen. They thought that if we invest our money in the girls' education, then it's wrong, according to me.
But you know that not all pupils
Yeah,
are.
I can't say that all pupils are, but I said only mostly results people.
They think about it, and only those people think about it who are uneducated. they think that
Not uneducated means they are thinking us a bit and a little.
yeah, because they don't see the world that the girls go ahead than boys and they do everything in his life. Whatever they want, then they achieve it. But if those people think that if I gave him freedom, then she do any wrong work in his life. So that's why they live in a fear. And I think that his thinking is wrong because every girl is not safe. Many girls I saw in my place, many girls she want to study, but his parents is doesn't want that. They don't want that his girl go to school and study there and meet to any strange people. So that's why they said to him that you do the whole work of house and it's your.
I told something about the girls' education. In my relative, a girl, she is unmarried. She want to marry, but there's a parents want that she admission in BSc nursing because they want there's a girl who aid in her life, but they don't focus on her boys' study. They said that I give in any business.
You said that the girl is not want to study, she want to get married because she now in present time she is thinking is if she getting married and she is not studying, she thinks that study is I think that she is thinking is study is a burden on him, but she is not using his opportunity. I think that
These girls are provides this study.
and you know that many girls want to study, but his parents are not giving him any opportunity to study. And I want to ask you a question that you know that in present time mostly girls focus on your study, on his study. But voices are not all, but many voices are not to focus on his study. So can you tell me the reason of this? Why is it happening this?
I don't know what the reason behind this, but I can tell you. Because mostly boys think that if they study at a time, they want to give time for playing and any other works, what they want to do in their life. So, and they also thought that if they study and they want to be any successful person, and they have a lot of opportunity for many things.
Yeah, but you know that many girls are there that she say that girl have a opportunity and she didn't want to study. And you know that many girls have a opportunity and she think that what is the use of my study? You know that why is she thinking that?
I don't know why she thinks that, because I think that she don't know what is
Can I tell
education.
you?
Yeah, tell me.
You know that only those girls think about it who get everything easily. If and you know that
No, it is not reason.
it's a reason. You saw the mostly girls. If he said that
No, if they have a lot of money,
yeah, so
at that time she thinks that.
I said that if he get everything easily, at that time she thinks that I don't want to study because she thinks that she get everything easily and what is the use of study? Why she do hard work? Because everything is presented in his life.
I think that who are rich,
Only,
they thought
only
that.
those person think and only those children get easily everything and whose girls they are not getting anything easily, then they think that if I do hard work, then after my graduation I change my life and I change my parents' life.
But I think that we don't take this thinking, because if we take this thinking, then we can't do anything in our life. But if you are busy, it doesn't matter. But everyone should work hard for their life, because times change.
Everything.
Yeah. So
You know that not all girls, but mostly girls
tell me the reason why parents worry about their girls. Why they don't want to send their girls in school.
because you saw our environment.
Yeah, I
it's too
saw.
bad.
Yeah.
And in our year, many cases has happened, just like Sakshi case.
Yeah.
And if many parents are not doing focus on his study, you saw that in cities, mostly cities, parents they both go in his office and whole day they spend there, and his child is alone at home. Then they don't know about him more, because they are not spend the day with him, and they don't know what his child doing in a day.
I mean to say, it is right what is happening with girls.
No,
It
it's
means
not
their
right.
parents don't want to send them to school. It is right.
But it's right. It's not right. I
Yeah.
said that it's not right. But you saw the condition of nowadays. It's
How can we change the condition of our environment? Tell me the way.
if the girls if the girl is brave, then you think that you saw mostly girls they make himself innocent. But if every girl take some attitude,
Yeah.
not more but some attitude, at that time no one can disturb him, and no one can do any wrong with him.
I think that we have two types of attitude.
Yeah,
You know,
I don't, but you can.
I can. First, we have a lot of things which are costly.
Yeah,
And everyone thought that they are rich and they have a lot of attitude. Second one attitude, we have a lot of education.
I don't say
But-
that this type of attitude we carry.
Never change our life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We carry a little attitude, because of that's why on our self-respect also, and that's why the bad people they don't see ourselves by bad thinking. His mentality is not bad for yourself.
What do you think if a boy don't pay attention on their study, and after his marriage he can pay attention their family properly?
No, it's not happen, because you saw many pupils who are married, and they are not much educated, and they whole day they do hard work for his family, and at night time they are very tired, and that time they go to bed and sleep. And how can they pay attention on his family
If
properly?
a boy who pay attention in their study, at the time after his marriage he can pay attention very well on their family.
Yeah, because he
Yeah.
know everything about the world and about the area of where he live. He know about it properly.
Because he understand what is time and
He understand the value of family.
tell me about old people's education.
You know that, and in past time pupils, his thinking, his mentality is that if they educated his boy, I hold the mic properly. his thinking is that if they give the education to his sons and they study properly and they get a government job, because pastime people's thinking is also that his son study properly and he get a government job. But they don't think about his daughter. They think only that when she become young, and at that time they fix his marriage. And present time pupils thinking is changed. They think that both are equal to them, and they also do everything for both.
I think that if a girl and boy both are educated, well educated, at that time they can change their life
And his family life also.
okay, and if they have no good opportunity for job, then they can do every work.
And you know that if a boy he is not pay attention on his studies, and he is not doing anything, at that time his father and his mother go anywhere, and they feel something embarrassed, because many people ask that what your son is doing, and they feel embarrassed. But if he do anything, not much more, not a high job, but he do a low job, at that time his father said to all pupils proudly that my son do a job.
And you think that if a girl can achieve anything in their life, and how can she survive her family?
You know that if a girl achieve a good job, and his family proud on her, because of she is a girl and she do a lot of hard work, and a girl, you know that a girl handle 2 houses.
Ask me questions. Tell me about education fundamental. Education is very important for everyone, because if we don't pay attention on her education, we don't get any type of job and any type of work too. So education is most important for everyone. Can you tell me what's the difference between past-time education and present-time education? Past-time education and present-time education is two different. How can you say that? Two different. In past time, boys go ahead for education. In present time, girls go ahead of education. Yeah. And any other thing? Can you tell me about education? Past time education is so tough and their syllabus a lot of. In present time syllabus is cut down to pass. In your mentality nowadays we can't study in a good way, and we have no more course.
Yes, now in present time we have no a lot of course about our mentality. In past time there's a lot of course. In present time there's a not a lot of course, because if still we can't afford properly, then their course is nothing.
I mean to say that we have less course than the past time, but we can't afford. Why?
Speak again.
I mean to say that. I mean to say that. I said that we have less course than pastime. Still, we can't afford it very well.
It's our teacher's responsibility and it's our responsibility we complete our course.
Yeah, it is right. How can we complete it?
And we have and
Speak out.
teacher's responsibility when teachers study, when teachers teach our properly and then we understand that thing, that topic and that our syllabus, then we complete our course. And if we have not attention on our studies, then we don't complete our course, in my opinion.
In this case, I want to say that nowadays also there are many people who pay attention on their study very well. You know what?
And they complete her course.
Still, we can't afford. I think that we can find out this thing, and in our examination we can't achieve a good place in our result. It is also happen. Why this so? If we have less course than past time.
But nowadays smartphones also and it's a depend on smartphone. When we use smartphone on studies, also all things we use smartphone, but we use phones mostly our studies. And but nowadays mostly people use his phone only scrolling reels and etc. using time pass.
I also use these all things,
But you also
At
pay
times
attention on
only.
your studies.
yeah. So we have a lot of time for everything,
Yes.
but we can divide our time.
Yes, but we
It is also
but we don't but we
for us.
don't pay attention on time.
Yeah.
We have no achievement. We have no importance of time.
How can we say that? Girls' education are important nowadays.
Because boys are not only boys, some boys are not pay attention on his studies. And not all girls, some girls are focus on his studies, and now in present time girls go ahead than boys.
I said that. How can we say that? Education, how can education play a vital role in a girl's life?
You know that education is important for both. Because if two pupils getting married with each other and they both are educated, at that time the job of his husband is lost, then the girl is also do the job and handle his house. But if anyone is not educated, at that time the whole burden of his house is depend only one person. So that's why education is important for girls.
I want to say that if a girl most educated in their family, no one is educated like that, then she can make a responsible person for their family.
Yeah,
How?
because she is more educated than other persons of his family, and it's his responsibility because of his father and mother is give him a good education, and I think that from his brother, because his brother are not much educated than boys, and it's his responsibility to handle his house properly, and he take up of the all needs of his family.
Can you ask me something? If you have a question.
I don't have any question.
Yeah. So you know about that in our schools there's a two sides. Two sides means science sides and art sides. In both sides, you know a difference. Well, according to me, yeah. But I watch out mostly girls who belongs to our places, and I can't say that art side is bad. But I said that they take some art subject. Why?
Because his mentality is a pupils made his mentality is that math is too difficult, and you can't get good marks in math subject. So that's why they think that if I am not study, if I am not join any coaching, and they have no money for joining any coaching, at that time they think that if I am not joining any coaching and I failed in math subject, so that's why they think that if I choose art subject, and his mentality is also that in art subject they are not paying attention properly in all his subject, and otherwise they passed out. But I think his thinking is wrong, because in any sides, if we are not paying attention on our study, that time we don't get good marks.
According to you, is it so?
Yeah, it's happened.
Means in my place last year a boy get 93%, most 93 about 95% from RS Educational School in art science in 12th.
I don't say that every person is not focused in art side, but I said that mostly girls in art side. Not all, but mostly girls. You saw in our school many girls that they sit outside of the class, and how can they behave in his class? You know about it very well. I know that you know about it very well, and
You know that I know very well.
because you study in their school, and you
But I don't pay attention on that things. They behave very badly, or but no one behave like badly to me.
I know that no one behave
You
like
know
that.
everything.
I know everything about you because you are my friend. So that's why I know everything about
But
you.
I don't know everything about you. Carry on. Just you hold my properly.
I hold my mic properly.
Because it's your big problem. Oh, please mind your ways.
You ask any question.
So in arts girls, for that it also teach about the cooking. So please hold the mic to Sanu. Sanu, you also study in art science. Yeah. So you tell that in that side they also taught about the cooking.
Yeah.
So what's your
Only 10th standard.
only 10th?
Yes.
In 10th standard, so you have some experience about that. So you tell me.
In 10th standard, teachers teach about that cooking and householding birds and many other things.
Are
They
you
teach.
interested on it?
No,
Then you
because I don't cook any food, so I don't interest.
okay, then it's okay. But I know that in your family, every girl takes a art side.
Yeah.
So tell me about your thinking.
Because they don't understand math.
No, it's not so. Your elder sister Arju Didi is also very intelligent.
Yeah, but they don't understand in math. So they take art side.
So in that case, they understand the arts very well.
Yeah.
So it's a reason.
Yeah.
Many people now last year admission a girl from Avan Narayan, not Avan Narayan. I don't know the name of Avan Narayan. So So that admission in your class is outside, but from 10th, I don't know her name, but when she study in 10th class, she is in science side, and she is very good in the science in every subject. So your opinion, it's when in 11th class she takes a art side, it's a good or not?
It's depend on that girl.
So then you ask something. Please hold mic to Sanskriti.
What you want to ask?
So you have no question.
When you ask me something and then I yes. So now you ask me what you want to ask me. In your opinion, how many types of education?
In my opinion, there are two types of education. First we take our parents, and the second we take in school.
Actually, both education is good. It's girls' education or boys' education. But nowadays, boys are not pay attention on his studies. Not all boys. Some boys are not pay attention on his studies. And in past time, mostly all people thought that study on only they teach his boys. And nowadays, all parents thought that we teach our daughter and for both. And mostly people in present time thought that we teach only our boy. Nowadays, mostly people thought that.
Not mostly people thought that. They
10% people thought that. Because they are difficult side, their time past time.
Then why you said that mostly people want to study their
All
child?
people are not equal.
Then now you said that.
Listen to me. In my opinion, I want to say this. Not all people are not equal. Nowadays, 10% people thought that. Because it's his mentality, he thought that just like past time. And in your opinion, you said that why mostly people don't think about that. You know why mostly people don't thought like that.
What you said?
I said that mostly people thought he only teach his boys. How can you say that mostly people don't thought that? How can you say that?
But nowadays mostly people teach their daughters and
not boy.
and also boy.
Also boy.
Yeah.
But you know that all people thought just like that.
No.
So how can you say that all people think not like that?
I can't understand.
How can you don't understand? I explained you properly, so give me answer. What I want to ask.
Then I can't understand your question.
I said that you said to me, how can all people, in your opinion, all people in present time, all people thought he teach our boy and girl, but not all parents. 10% people thought that he only teach boy.
And it's their mentality, what he thinks that.
Yes, now you are right.
And
speak up.
I hear
What nothing? Speak out. What do you want?
nothing. You can call.
Please tell me answer. I ask you a question. Why are people different between boy and girl? Please tell me. Because they had some patience. Means the people thought that boys is more educated and they increase their fertility. But girls are like they go after marriage they go there's in-laws home. This is the biggest reason of that thing. That's they thought that you know about that every property is only for boys, not girls. If somebody has only girls, then they get them. But now it's a law makes by a government. Pupils give property both, means a girl and boy both. Then it's also a biggest reason about that. If a girl married, then they carried all property in her laws home. It's a reason, yeah. Yeah. This is a reason. So you ask, this is the biggest reason of that thing. People thought that if we do anything for girl, then they carry it in the her laws. But boys stay in also our own houses. That's why. According to you, it's a right or wrong? It's a wrong. It's a wrong.
Yeah.
Then told me what is right. Then they do. Because they are their children, so they don't different between girl and boy. You are absolutely right. Yeah. I'm always right. You are not always right. No, you are right. Yeah, you are right. You know about my cousin sister born a baby girl. Yeah. So that time my sister come to home from hospital. Then we organized a party. That time Blazer said, why you organized a party and why you spend our money. So that time I said to him, because in my family member no one different between girl and boy. But according to me, in our family we need a both. Also a baby girl and also a baby boy. This is right. If somebody has 2-3 girls, then they thought that if we have not all but mostly also pupils thought that they have one baby boy. Yeah, one baby girl. You know that thing also. Yeah. You have also 3 sisters. That's why. Yeah. And you also have a 3 sisters. Yeah. But you have a brother, but I have. So everyone in their places is right. So you ask something. What might you? Okay, you want to ask something? Yeah. So you ask. In your places, people said mostly wrong words about that. You have a 4 sisters. You need a brother also. People said that these things affected you.
No, this thing is not affected on me because I don't pay attention on his thoughts, what they think. But if they speak to more, at that time I'll give him an answer. That you saw the girl, that every girl go ahead, then the boy.
Don't mind it, this thing more and more. Oh, boys are getting jealous.
And I said to him that you saw my sister, that she is also living in Delhi and she do there a good job and she hold his in-laws family very well. that time. Now in present time, no one said to me that you need a brother, and to my parents that you need a son. Because when they saw my sister, that at that time they feel that his daughters do more than what a boy. Because if a boy, they have a boy, and they said to him many times that you do this work, and after that he go. But when my father said to me and my sister that you do this work, then anytime we do that work, what my father said. And now you know that the wheat crops are cutting. So at that time my two sisters, both are younger than me. Then they go to field with my father, and they do there a lot of hard work. And my father don't need any labor there, and they handle whole work from to there.
You know, tomorrow you said that when your third sister born,
Yeah.
your third sister born, at that time your father get
Some anger.
some anger and said, I don't want means this words I would or not. I said that
They don't said that I don't want it, but they become anger.
he became anger. So, but these things only for that time. But now your father is changed. You
Yeah.
know how it's things are circularized.
I don't know how can his mentality is changed, but I think that if when we live with any person, and we think that he is not good, but when we live with him and we understand him, and we know about his goodness, and we know about his all things, that time we think that he is not wrong. And I think that it's happened with my
It's
father.
not answer of my question. Then can I tell? Okay. Because I am also suffering from this situation. Because when my third sister is born, at that time my father is also get anger. But sometimes when we live these situations is coming down, they realize that girls is more good from boys. In girls they have a much importance of parents in her lives and much respect than boys in her lives.
Yeah, you are right. And this thing
But
is,
I also said that one thing, boys also contains these things. But after getting married, they changed a lot.
because if a girl think this mentality that how can he hold his whole house, and at that after marriage, at that way she handle his whole house just like his parental home. At that time this thing is not happening, but mostly girls think that this is the house of my in-laws, and this is not my own house, and they don't think that his in-laws, they are his parents, and that's why this is happening. But if they think that they are my own parents, and they think that I can serve him properly, and at that time I think that no issue create in his home.
According to me, in people's thinking, these things are only happening in dreams, not a real life.
It's happened in real life also, because in my neighborhood a lady getting married with a person. He is my uncle also, and after passing 6 months, she abused his in-laws parents, and she got also called the police. And I know about that person. They are very good, and his nature is so sweet, and she is not cooking food for them. They both cook the food for himself, and they eat alone. And his
The
son,
conditions are different with everyone. Sometimes in-laws are bad. Sometimes there's daughters are bad.
daughters are good.
Yeah.
So I also said that if the his mentality. That time,
And also change their some other environment.
yeah, because in everything, not one person is fault. Both are doing mistakes. At that time, a situation is created. So, yeah.
Also, we talk about if somebody is not educated much, then they open their business. They go ahead in their business or not.
If they do hard work, that time they go ahead. But if they think that I open this business and it is easily to go ahead, that time they failed in his business.
Some people are thought that we have a lot of money and we have more facilities. Then why we study? What
Yeah.
the need of study in our life?
And they-
But some people are opposite them. Then they thought that we have a lot of money and then we increase it and we get our children a much higher education.
Yeah, because it
In both conditions, you know what is affected much. What's affected?
you know that if his parents are to focus on their children and they give him good manners, then his children, if he has lot of money and after that he is become a good person. But you know that if his parents have a lot of money and they are not giving his son or daughter also a good manners, and after that if they have lot of money and they destroyed it, they destroyed everything what his father collect to for him, and they
According
destroyed
to
it.
me, if these things are happening, means pupils don't give their properties to their heirs, then it's a good or bad.
You repeat your question.
Means pupils did that they don't give their properties to their heirs, then it's a good or not. If they are affected education or not.
You know that if his hire is sensual and capable for holding his business and his property also, that time they give him. But if many people are not holding it properly and they destroyed it, they
You know about our coaching bags boy who come from blood and splendor, and you know after 10 years what is happening with them.
we also saving the fruits and drive the auto also. I think that because his condition.
Because no one watch out the old times are good or bad.
Yeah, and if you saw his condition, then you understand that what they do in the future.
Yeah, I understand. Because they have no mean by education.
And you know that they have a lot of attitude.
I don't show any attitude.
Yeah. But if he don't know that I have a lot of attitude, then
But we have a self-respect.
yeah.
That we
Every person, you know that every person give to us respect because every person do.
but they don't deserve this respect.
Yeah, because his work is not for respect.
They don't talk about that. Okay. Ask.
What I asked to you have any idea about business? How can we maintain a good business? It means to follow us.
Because I am not a businesswoman, but I tell you something about it. It's wrong or right, I don't know. But if any person want to do a business, then first he
she is a girl, but she wants to maintain a business for my family, and she has good opportunity for doing job, but she don't want to get any job in their life, her life, because she choose business in her life. So I'll pay attention on my words, please. So I want to tell you, if a girl wants to maintain a business, then it is right for her or wrong for her.
It is right for her.
It's your
because
mentality.
in my mentality, it is right for her because it's depend on him, that on her. Because if she like to do business, then she do. But if she didn't like to do business, but in my mentality, his parents is not force him to do
But
business.
you know what people think about those girls who wants to maintain a business.
You know that pupils' mentality is also snatching. Pupils, if you do also included. Yeah, I don't say that we are not pupils, but
We are only girls.
Yeah.
It is. Carry on.
don't make fun of me.
She don't fun of you.
Also make fun of me.
Speak out, please.
You know that people think bad for those girls because they think that business is made only for boys. But if his own daughter do that work, that is right. But if any other person's daughter do that work, so in his eyes it is wrong. Yeah, she do a wrong work. So I don't think that if a girl want to do business and if she stopped himself because of the pupil, I don't think it's right.
Do you think that we don't do so? We don't stop ourselves.
Yeah, because we have a
If we
confidence.
stop ourselves, then we don't get anything in our
Yeah,
life.
if we
It has happened
have
before.
some confidence, then we increase our.
No, we have no some confidence for these we want to do.
You know, I just only said that if we have some confidence for doing something, then we increase our confidence and if our family is supportive, at that time we increase our confidence also. And shut up.
Don't worry.
And I forgot it what I said. So just leave this topic because I forget it.
I'll tell you. You said that about business. Girls is confident. Your point is confident.
Okay. Then if his parent, if his family make support him and make high his confidence, at that time she do everything. But if his family is decrease his confidence,
Supports only does matter for girls career, also boys.
yeah, it is happened also boys with boys because many people think that if my child do a government job, then you know that many people's mentality is also that if my child is educated, then after it he do a government job. But he don't think that what my child think, what he want to do in his life.
I'll tell about my sisters.
Okay, sir.
And he's not my real sister, but
If you are not sitting silently, then I'll be able.
she wants to get a job for their life, but her father denied because he don't want his daughter is a job person.
Doing a job and
Yeah, they don't want to doing any job. So
what they want. his parents what they want that what his daughter do in his future.
She is so intelligent and she got almost 96% in intermediate examination. So at a time her father was very happy, but after some time she told her father, I want to get job. At a time her father said, you can't get any job because it is not happening. It is not good for you. If you go ahead in your life, it is right. But you fought good. You want to go outside, and so that thing.
You know that why the parents think that they think that I don't want to send my daughter to outside because why it's happening because of our environment it's happening. I think that because my parents is also think that if you
In my mentality, it is not wrong.
yeah
They can
because they worried about
they
ourselves.
can give a chance.
Yeah, they can give a chance, but they worried about ourselves because they think that we are innocent, but they don't know that his daughter is too dangerous and everyone knows.
So
If they know about his dangerous, then they send him everywhere. Sometimes later, my father is also said to me that I don't want to send you any other place for study. But when I said to him that you trust on me, I don't take any wrong step in my life, and they agree to send me any other place.
I think that every parents trust their children,
Yeah,
if a boy or girls.
every parent trust, but if